Hey there, it's Amelia. In this video, we'll review headers and footers, which allow you to add a title, page numbers, dates, and other information to the top and bottom of pages on your worksheet. Let's get started. So to add a header or footer, first click on the Insert tab in the ribbon, and then on the right, click Header and Footer. Now, you're going to see three sections, including the left, center, and right areas, and in a moment you'll see the same three areas in the footer. So just like Microsoft Word, there are some options with the headers and footers. You can have a different first page, and if you have text already at the top on page 1, maybe you just want to start the headers or footers on page 2. So in that case, you would click on different first page. There's also different odd and even pages and so forth. So for this particular example, I have some text prepared that I'm going to insert on the far left. So I click on the far left and go ahead and paste. And I want that text to be a little bit larger. So there's some formatting in the header and footer area, not as much as you would normally have, but if I go ahead and select it, a little mini menu pops up. And I could bold it and I can italicize it. I could change the font color if I like. And I could also increase or decrease the font size. So let me just increase that just a little bit more. And that looks pretty good. So the other thing I'm going to do is on the far right, I'd like to add a date. So let me go ahead and select from the ribbon. There's various elements I can select, including page number, number of pages, current date, time, file path, file name, sheet name, picture, etc. So I'm going to go ahead and click current date, because I'd like the date there on the right. And let's see how that looks so far. So let me go ahead and click File, Print. Okay, not too bad. And now next I need to add the footer. So I'm going to return back to my worksheet. Now let me just go ahead and I could either use my vertical scroll bar or the page down key to move down to the footer area. So when I get down to the footer area, you won't see it right away, but if I mouse over the bottom of the page, then you'll see the three sections, and then you can go ahead and click in any of the areas. So in addition to the elements in the Design tab up in here, there's also, if you click on the little drop-down menu, you're going to see the elements here as well. So in this case, I want to select page 1 of question mark because I want to have the current page and the total number of pages there on the bottom. So it went ahead and inserted that at the bottom of page 1, and let me just give a look and make sure that it looks the same there, and I see page 3 of 3. So I'd like to see how the whole thing looks, so I'm going to go ahead and click File, Print. Okay, and I see my header here and my footer here, and if I click on page 2 and page 3, voila, and it's as easy as that to add a header and footer in your worksheet. Well, that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment below. If you like this video, please click like. If you like my channel, please click subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.